Hohem have just thrown another spanner in the works. They've released their latest gimbal in the already crowded world of phone gimbals. This is the M6, and if you're new to the channel, please make sure you do subscribe down there and press a bell, because we're going to be comparing this to all the latest phone gimbals on the market in 2023 in a big comparison video coming really soon. But in this video I want to talk about 5 things I really love about this gimbal, because I've had it a couple of weeks now and I'm just getting to grips with it, and I've been learning a lot about it, and I'm really impressed with it so far. So we're going to talk about 5 things I love. Number 1 is the AI module on the top. This little fella comes off here. It's magnetised on the top of there, so it clips on. The magnets are pretty strong, so it's not likely to pop off, although it does come off, so just be careful you don't lose it. We've got a little switch on the side. We turn on the AI tracking. Now it's got gesture control, so we hold up the OK sign and it will start tracking us, and you hold up the palm to stop tracking. The tracking is really good actually. I've been testing it over the last few days and I've been really impressed with the tracking. It's probably not quite as good as the Insta360 Flow, the AI tracking they've got on that app, but it's very close, I must admit. What I do love about this though is that this doubles as a light, and the light is controllable from this dial on the side, so you can turn it on and off, and you can also change the brightness from this dial. That's really cool. So you can hold it down to turn it on, then we can change the brightness by turning it up and down. If we triple tap it as well, it goes to RGB. This is actually an RGB light, so you can scroll through the different RGB colours of the rainbow depending on what you want. So it's a really nice creative idea they've got on there as well. Just hold it down to turn it off. So I like that. It's controllable from here. So from this little device that comes off, it actually has gesture control. You can control the light. You can also turn it around as well. So it comes off and turns it around. So if you're using the selfie camera, you can turn it around and use the gesture control and the tracking. The tracking is really impressive. Like I said, been really impressed with it. The one thing I will say is that if you're using this all the time with the lights and the tracking, it does about half the battery life. So we've got about 18 hours of battery life as is, and then if we're using this, it goes to about 6 to 8 hours. So I mean, it's still a good decent battery life. If you're using a gimbal for over 8 hours, then I want to know what you're doing. So it's still really good. So that is the first thing I love about it. This little fellow, the AI tracker and light, combined with the dial on the side for controlling it, fantastic feature. The other thing I love about the Hohem M6 is the wide angle mode. Now, when you're using something like the iPhone 14 Pro and you want to use the wide angle lens, in something like this, you get the arm in the shot sometimes, and Hohem have thought about that. Basically, all we have to do is press the trigger 4 times, like so, and it moves the arm to the back of the phone so the arm isn't in the shot. When you've got the wide angle lens activated, you can do that and it moves the arm out of the way, so you can get some really sick shots with the wide angle lens without it being sort of obstructed by the arm. That's a really ingenious feature of this gimbal. The third thing I like about the gimbal is the build quality and the controls. So the build quality is very good. It feels very rugged, well made, very good quality. The controls are very nice. There's some more professional features on this particular gimbal, like for instance, if you're using Hohem's Joy app, which you can actually use the app with this for the tracking, which is not quite as good as the AI module. You can use a native camera app of your phone, or you can use Hohem's app. If you're using Hohem's app, it's got stuff like manual focus with this dial on the side. It's got things like half press shutter to make sure the focus is on before we start recording. So a few more professional features on this particular gimbal that I really like. Just make sure you note that if you want to use features like switching lenses or changing the cameras whilst recording, you have to use Hohem's app. You can't do that with the controls whilst using the native app. So that's a little bit unfortunate, but it still works very well with the application. You're still getting the same great quality you would with the camera, because you're still using the camera on your device. But yeah, the controls, very nice. The joystick's good. You've got the mode button, you've got the trigger on the back. You can actually lock the gimbal as well for travel. This doesn't fold up, so that's why I say it's more of like a semi-professional device rather than a travel vlogger family device, because it doesn't fold up. It does lock, but it's not as portable as other ones on the market. Saying that, Really like the build quality and the controls. It's very, very good. Number 4 is the payload and the clamp. Now the clamp is good because it allows you to add phones such as the iPhone 14 Pro or the S23 Ultra. It's a big clamp and it will hold it securely. It also works with a case. I've got this rugged case on there from Nomad and it fits on there perfectly, really on there nice and securely. There is a downside to this kind of clamp and not the magnetic version like the Flow or the DJI OM6, is that you can't sort of plug in a microphone because the ports are blocked with this fitting that you've got there. So there's a downside to that, but it does fit on there a lot better, and bigger devices were probably better suited to something like this. The payload also is 400 grams, so if you want to add something like microphone on here, or you want to add different things, maybe even have your phone inside of a cage, that might work well for different fittings, different lights if that light's not enough. So you have got that added payload option of 400 grams. So yeah, overall the build quality of this is fantastic, and the payload and clamp is also very, very good. So yeah, that's another thing I love about this gimbal. Point number 5 is that you can turn this gimbal around 360 degrees without restrictions. So if you want to have a shot like this where you're walking around the camera using the AI tracking, then this does turn 360 degrees unhindered, and that is unlike other gimbals out there. So if that is a feature that you're looking for, that is a great feature. I do like the fact you can do different shots like this. I'm not entirely sure why, but if you're skateboarding or you're ice skating or something and you're going around in circles a lot, then maybe this feature might come in useful, and it's a nice feature to have on there. It also comes in handy when you're doing something like the inception mode. It does go around and around on the x-axis as many times as you want it to, and it's not hindered, not restricted at all. So it's a great feature. So those are my 5 reasons why I really like this gimbal from Hohem. The M6 is a good quality gimbal. Make sure you do subscribe because, like I said, I'm going to be doing that comparison video against other gimbals very soon, plus a beginner's guide on some basic settings on how to get the best quality out of your footage from using this gimbal on a regular basis. So yeah, that's it for this video though. Hope it helped. I shall see you on the next one. Bye guys.